present a speech. The topic of my speech is education. Education has a very important role in our life. Education helps to provide knowledge, develop a local attitude, and enhance the capability of an individual. In democratic countries, education plays a crucial role in choosing the right government. Education is the way to choose the right government. Education is the world that teach a person to live life. Education is the basic of human life. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Education is the key to solve all social problems. Assalam.